Let us start by preparing our vegetables. We'll need half a cup of chopped onions and half a cup of sliced onions, half a cup of sliced tomatoes and half a cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 slit green chilli, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger, half a cup of cubed onions, half a cup of cubed capsicum, and 250 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Then, in a small pan, take about 2 cups of water, half a cup of sliced onions, half a cup of sliced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 whole dried red chillies, 8 to 10 black peppercorns and 4 cloves. Boil and cook for about 15 minutes or till the tomatoes and onions are jammy and soft. Let it cool, then transfer into a mixie and puree. In a separate bowl, take 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix well and set aside. In a kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it heat till the oil smokes. Add in the cubed onions and capsicum. Toss till the onions just start to get translucent. Remove and set aside. You can also fry your paneer now if you want. In the hot mustard oil, now add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Once the garlic starts to brown, add in the slit green chilli and half a cup of chopped onions. Once the onions are golden in color, add in half a cup of chopped tomatoes. And once the tomatoes start to break down, add in the ginger garlic paste mix and the onion tomato puree. Mix and cook covered for about 15 minutes or till the gravy thickens. Add in half a tablespoon of Garam Masala and 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi. Stirring in between as and when required. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and add in the cubed onions, capsicum and paneer. And add about an additional 1 tablespoon of water if required. Cover and bring to a boil. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how it was. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel.